Hey friends, if you wish to exit full screen on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. See, a lot of applications allow you full screen, and except for Microsoft Word applications and a few other applications, most of them have the same process to exit full screen. Now I'll show you. For example, I'm on this page. If I press F11, it will take me to full screen mode. If I press F11 once again, it will help me exit the full screen mode, and alternatively I can press the escape key. It may or may not work depending upon the application, but F11 almost definitely works. So this is the case, and obviously then you can try the mouse cursor method by moving your mouse cursor on the top of the screen and revealing a full screen button and all, but the two main methods are using the F11 key and the escape key. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.